Dear children, welcome to the second video of our civics chapter, that is chapter number 1, rural local self government. Till far now, actually we have discussed about the steps taken for a better life, importance of local self government, what is in rural area, sources of income, then importance of village panchayat, composition of panchayat samiti or block samiti, function of block samiti, jila parishad, achievements of village panchayat, the state government and the panchayati raj. So today now we will discuss about the Nyay Panchayat. So what is Nyay Panchayat? Actually, Nyay means justice and Panchayat means is composed of words panch. Panch means five. The panchayat is a assembly or gathering of people in which five elderly people of the village, five elderly people of the village are the head of that village panchayat, and means five members are there are five punches, and the head of all the punches in the Nyay Panchayat, the Gram Panchayat, is the Pradhan. So a Nyay Panchayat is meant for resolving minor dispute and to provide speedy justice. Speedy justice means to provide minor means if there are small disputes between small fights between the people or any group of people, then Nyay Panchayat helps in that the decisions should be or justice should be provided in a speedy way. Some Nyay Panchayats are elected while others are party elected and party nominated. Means in some state the panchayats are elected, and some are not elected or some are nominated. Nominated means to just enter into directly, or the name is being given. These panchayats hear simple cases of both civil and criminal nature for which they can impose fine, but they do not have the right to send a person to jail. Means Nyay Panchayat, they hear the cases regarding any dispute, but they do not have right to send the person to the jail, and they can only just put a small fine in the form of money or some punishment. If there are serious cases, then they can report the case to the police station. Sources of the sources of income for the Nyay Panchayat are taxes on houses, shops, taxes on fairs जो मेला होता है, market mean different the market are organized in the village, like एनिमल मार्केट इज देयर जिसको पेट वगैरह या सब्जी वगैरह की मार्केट लगती है. देन यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर द विलेज मीटिंग, द मीटिंग ऑफ अ विलेज पंचायत. तो डियर चिल्ड्रन, then other sources of income are fee realized from registration of sale and purchase of cattle. Means whatever the number of cattle like buffaloes, cows, sheep, and whatever cattle are sold and purchased, on them also the fees is charged by the neighbor. Then income for the sale from the sale of public property, whatever the property संपत्ति थी उसकी सेलिंग वगैरह होती है, उससे भी इनकम मिलता है. Then government grants means the funds which are given by the government or provided the government. Then importance of Gram Panchayat. Gram means village. All of you must know. The village panchayat teach the villagers to cooperate with each other to solve their common problems. Actually, village panchayat, in village panchayat, people assemble together. The members which are 18 years of age or the are the members of the village panchayat, and these village panchayat help the people to understand their problem, and they cooperate with each other and solve the problem. They give them the first lesson of democracy. Democracy means how they are getting the lesson of the democracy, because in the democracy people have the right to elect the right candidate as their means as their leader. The villagers learn how to elect their representative who serve them the best. Means people who who are living in the local area, they know the person who is the best and will serve them. उनकी मतलब उनकी कौन उनके कौन काम करेगा और उनकी सेवा कौन करेगा. Because the first and foremost important thing for a leader is to serve the people. The village panchayat is the first tier of panchayati raj in a country. We learned about the village panchayat. There are various problems common to neighboring villages. Many village panchayats form a block samiti or panchayat samiti. Then together many village panchayat or the villages which are common और द पंचायत विच आर कॉमन इन नियर बाय विलेजेस. पड़ोस में बहुत सारे गाँव होते हैं, इनकी विलेज पंचायत टुगेदर द विलेज पंचायत दे फॉर्म अ ब्लॉक समिति और विलेज और ब्लॉक समिति और पंचायत समिति. द कंपोजिशन ऑफ पंचायत समिति और ब्लॉक समिति मीन हु आर द मेंबर्स ऑफ द पंचायत समिति और ब्लॉक समिति. प्रधान एंड पंच ऑफ द विलेज इन अ ब्लॉक चूज द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव टू द ब्लॉक समिति. मीन्स द प्रधान एंड द पंच दे आर in a block means what is panchayat samiti or block samiti? Actually it is an indirectly elected body. Pradhans and panches of the village panchayats in the block choose their representative to block samiti. Means the pradhans or the sarpanch of the different villages or the village panchayat, they directly choose the representative of the block samiti or the leader of the block samiti. Besides such representative, there are other members such as there are other members also. The members elect a chairperson. Then after electing the representative of the block samiti, then the block samiti has a chairperson and a vice chairperson. Chairperson merely looks after the daily work of the block samiti. Then if the chairperson is absent, then the vice chairperson looks after or take care of the work of the block samiti. Then the term of block samiti is for 5 terms, 5 years. Then other members of block samiti, who are the members of block samiti? MLA, MP, then MLA, MP, then 33% seats are reserved for the women. Then representatives of SC, ST and OBC. Then dear children, then the function of the block samiti. Functions of the block samiti are as follows. A block samiti supervises. Then you can see actually in this is a gathering of a gram sabha, means how people are getting together. Gram means village and sabha means assembly, where the discussions being carried on or decisions are being taken on important matters which are related to a village. Then functions of block samiti. The functions of the block samiti are: a block samiti supervises the working of the village panchayat, means block samiti handles all the work which are done or has to be done by the village panchayat. It engages many experts to help the villagers, means there are many the people who are expert in their field, they help the people how to do the agriculture by obtaining better quality seed by the villagers, better fertilizer which helps in the growth of the crops, as well as the productivity of the crops increases, or then insecticides and improving the breed of cattle. Then experts bring about a change in the outlook of the people through education and literacy, means village people are uneducated, then experts with the help of expert and teachers, the village people are provided education and they are being made literate, मतलब पढ़ा लिखा बनाया जाता है उन्हें. Because then only if a person is smart, a person can become smart when he or she is educated. It arranges funds from the government for the block development program, means whatever the different programs are carried out by the blocks for the villages, then the funds or the grants are being taken or the capital is provided by the government. It arranges for the service of the technical personnel for development in agriculture, construction of roads and buildings, health and education, etc. Means whatever the development plans जो भी योजनाएं होती हैं जैसे एग्रीकल्चर से related, construction of road, buildings, health, so these services are looked after by the block samiti. Then Jila Parishad is also known as a district board. The Jila Parishad is the highest institution of the Panchayati Raj. So the Jila Parishad coordinates the activities of block samiti. Means the district board or the block samiti looks after the work of the uh, looks after the work and activities of the many block committees in the district, in the whole district. Then who are the members of the Jila Parishad of district board? Chairman of the all block committee, then MLA MP, then the representative of SC and ST and women are also there. Then the Jila Parishad elects a president and vice president from among its members. Then the members who are there in the district or the Jila Parishad, among them the president and the vice president is chosen, so that the work of the Jila Parishad of the district board can be carried out with a better leadership. Then functions of the Jila Parishad. The main function of the Jila Parishad is to see that village panchayats and block committees work properly. Means with Jila Parishad handles and see that the work is carried out in a good direction by the village panchayat and the block committee. The Jila Parishad also has the responsibility of implementing various programs. Implementing means whatever the programs which are being started by the government, then they are being implemented come into effect. Those programs come into effect or action, means they should happen. The Jila Parishad also prepares and execute development programs for district. Means whatever development programs are there, like construction of road, better quality seed fertilizers, then education and literacy program, so this should come into effect. Then other major function of Jila Parishad are exercise supervision and control of the Panchayat Samiti, advise the state government, approves the budget of the Panchayat Samiti and distributes funds among them, establishes, maintains and inspects primary and secondary school, establishes, maintains and inspects hospitals, maternity and child welfare centers, constructs roads, parks, provides light and water supply, undertakes minor irrigation works, promotes local industries and arts, establishes and executes cooperatives. Then come on to the next page. Then sources of income of the Jila Parishad. Like those of block samiti, the source of income of Jila Parishad are mainly from the tax. I mean different types of tax, electricity, house tax, water tax, and financial grants from the government. Means the funds which are obtained from the government for the from the state government for the development of the people. Besides, the Jila Parishad also gets income of the property owned by it. Means different governmental property are under the district board of the Jila Parishad. And achievements of the Panchayati Raj means what the Panchayati Raj has achieved. Means क्या हासिल किया? The Panchayati Raj has brought political awareness among the rural people. Means the Panchayati Raj has been able to has been able to aware the people, means जागरूक किया लोगों, so that they know about the political aware, means politicians and who is the best, who can serve them best. They elect they select the members. They select the panchayat members and to take part in decision making. The Panchayati Raj has improved the condition of the village through welfare activities. Means different activities are done in the villages, so that the economic and the social condition of the people improves. panchayat has been able to draw the attention of the government official to the problem. Means panchayat, the panchayati members and the head of the panchayat, they bring they give a or provide a note of the problems to the government officials which villagers face. Then state government, the panchayati Raj. The constitution of India has strengthened the village panchayat by giving them more powers. Means they have it directs that a regular election to panchayat should be held every 5 years. Means how the more power has been provided by the constitution to village panchayat. Is it as it that according to the Indian constitution, every 5 years the elections are held to the village panchayat. For this purpose, state's election commission has been formed. Means state is also closely related to the village panchayat, because there is a state election commission which directs the work of the election in the village panchayat. The government gives financial grants to the panchayati raj system. 33% of the seats in means the funds are given for the panchayati raj work, and 33 seats are reserved for the women candidates. The state government keeps a strict watch on the working of panchayati raj institution like gram sabha, gram panchayat, jila parishad, gram sabha, nyay panchayat. Then gram sabha is there, gram panchayat is there, and nyay panchayat. These are the three institutions of the village panchayat. So these are strictly looked after the state government. The collector or the district manager or deputy commissioner represent the state government at the district level. Means the government is represented by the DM or the district manager or collector at the state at the district level by the government. He coordinates the work of the government officials of the district. Means he is the head, and he sees the work is properly carried out by the government officials of the state in the panchayati raj. The block development officer does the same work at the block level. Then at the block level or the jila parishad or the district board, there is also a block development officer. He also does the same work as the district collector or the district magistrate. Means he coordinates and supervises and even look after the work of the village panchayats. Dear students, that's all for today in this video.